Hey guys, today let's learn how to view who rewatched your Snapchat story. So if you want to learn how to do this and if it is actually possible on the Snapchat application, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how. So please watch this video until the end to find out. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and tap on, of course, your Snapchat application. Once you're already here, let's go ahead and tap on our story, of course, on our profile in the top left corner. So just tap on right here. Let's scroll verbatim until we see this option called My Story. And let's tap on our stories. But from here, right beside the eye icon, you actually can see those people who has rewatched your story. So basically, if you want to see, all we do is to swipe up from our story and find out the eyes emoji. So as you see, we have this option called Story Rewatch. See how many friends have rewatched your story. It's basically all we need to do in order for us to see the rewatch count is to basically see the rewatch, which is available, of course, on the Snapchat Plus icon. As you see, if you want to go in and see your story rewatches, all we need to do is to avail the Snapchat Plus so that we could see and avail as well those people who has rewatched our story. That is the only option as of now in order for us to see who has rewatched our story, and we do need to become a subscriber of course, Snapchat Plus. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.